Hey everyone, Jerry here from Car and Jerry. Today we're looking at one of BYD's most confusing models when it comes to naming. In China, it's the Tang L. Globally, it's the Atto 8. In Australia, the PHEV version is called the Sea Lion 8. But regardless of what you call it, this 7-seater SUV represents some genuinely impressive technology. With prices starting at $56,990 Australian dollars, and featuring either plug-in hybrid or pure electric powertrains, this is BYD's answer to the premium 7-seat SUV segment. The Tang L launched in China in April 2025 and received a major update at the Guangzhou Auto Show in November. It measures 5,040 millimeters long with a 2,950 millimeter wheelbase. That's proper full-size SUV territory, larger than the Hyundai Santa Fe in every dimension except height. Let's start with the pure electric versions. The rear-wheel drive EV uses a single 580 kilowatt motor producing 777 horsepower. The all-wheel drive version adds a 230 kilowatt front motor for a combined 810 kilowatts or 1,086 horsepower. 0 to 100 takes 3.9 seconds, which is genuinely absurd for a 7-seat family SUV. Every EV variant uses BYD's second-generation 100.5 kilowatt-hour Blade battery, delivering CLTC ranges of 560, 600, or 670 kilometers, depending on configuration. Real-world WLTP figures would be around 450 to 550 kilometers. The big story is charging. The Tang L uses BYD's new Super E platform with full 1,000-volt architecture supporting peak charging power up to 1,000 kilowatts. BYD claims this adds approximately 370 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, or 10 to 70% charge in 6 minutes. That's 2 kilometers of range added every second during peak charging. No other 7-seat SUV currently offers this charging capability. Now, the plug-in hybrid versions, marketed as Sea Lion 8 in Australia. The DMI front-wheel drive variant combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with a front-mounted 200 kilowatt electric motor for 272 combined horsepower. The 19 kilowatt-hour battery provides 103 kilometers NEDC electric range, roughly 70 to 80 kilometers real-world. 0 to 100 takes 8.6 seconds. Combined range exceeds 1,000 kilometers. The DMP all-wheel drive performance hybrid adds a rear 200 kilowatt motor for a combined 359 kilowatts or 482 horsepower. The larger 35.6 kilowatt-hour battery delivers 152 kilometers NEDC electric range, around 120 to 130 kilometers real-world. 0 to 100 drops to 4.9 seconds in Australian spec. Fuel consumption, when depleted, sits at 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers. Design follows BYD's Dragon Face language, with dragon whisker-inspired air intakes and split headlights. The D-pillar design improves natural light for third-row passengers. The rear features taillights inspired by traditional bamboo weaving techniques. A roof-mounted LiDAR unit enhances the God's Eye D-Pilot 300 autonomous driving system. Inside, the dashboard centers around a 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen running D-Link 150 with adaptive brightness and customizable themes. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The Australian Premium AWD adds a 26-inch heads-up display and 21-speaker D-Sound premium audio system. The 7-seat layout is genuinely practical with an adult-usable third row. With all seats up, cargo space is 270 liters, expanding to 960 liters with the third row folded, and 1,960 liters with both rear rows stowed. 3-zone climate control with ceiling vents for all rows ensures everyone stays comfortable. Technology includes D-Pilot 300 with parking spot to parking spot autonomous navigation. The D-Sus-C intelligent damping suspension dynamically adjusts for comfort or stability. Australian models get 9 airbags with third-row ISOFIX points. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras. The AWD variants can tow 2,000 kilograms braked. Now, availability. The Sea Lion 8 PHEV launched in Australia in January 2026 with 3 variants, starting at $56,990. That undercuts the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV by over $12,000, while offering significantly more electric range and power. Brazil also received the PHEV version. The Pure EV Atto 8 debuted internationally at the Tashkent Auto Show in Uzbekistan. For European buyers, BYD has not announced Tang L availability as of February 2026. The company's European strategy focuses on Ocean Series models, though the global rollout suggests the Atto 8 EV could eventually reach Europe. For American buyers, BYD still has no official consumer vehicle operations due to regulatory challenges. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 BYD Tang L, Atto 8, or Sea Lion 8 represents exactly what BYD does best. The pure electric version with 1,086 horsepower and 6-minute charging is genuinely revolutionary technology. The PHEV versions offer over 150 kilometers electric range with performance that embarrasses vehicles costing twice as much. At Australian pricing, the Sea Lion 8 undercuts established competitors while delivering more power, more electric range, and more technology. The D-Sus-C suspension, massive touchscreen, premium audio, and genuine 7-seat practicality create a compelling package. Would I recommend it? If you're in Australia or another market where it's available, absolutely. This is legitimate 7-seat PHEV execution at accessible pricing. The Pure EV with 1,000 kilowatt charging would genuinely compete with premium SUVs if it reaches more markets. Now, I want to hear from you. Does the naming confusion matter if the vehicle delivers on technology and value? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Car and Jerry, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.